Is it time to buy or sell Uber stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has categorized Uber as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.36. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with a gain of 0.5%. This equates to an average return of 0.12% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $65.79 would initially suggest a slower decline and may indicate the first signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 25.46% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 37.82% to negative 24.45%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of negative 2.44% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 13.49% and 29%. This translates to a price range of $56.15 to $83.73 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Uber includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Uber stock after losing 1.87%. The Uber stock price fell by 1.87% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, decreasing from $66.15 to $64.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.99%, reaching a low of $64.12 and a high of $66.68. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, but it remains up by 4.91% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow price movements. On that day, trading volume fell by 13 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.42 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $87, while the lowest price was $54.84. Currently, the price is 25.39%, or $22.09, below the 52-week high of $87, which is also the all-time high for the stock. In recent news, Uber Technologies is gaining attention for several strategic moves that could significantly influence its stock price. Following a challenging December, during which shares dropped over 16% due to setbacks in autonomous vehicle development, Uber is now poised to shift gears through 2 key partnerships. The ride-hailing giant has announced a collaboration with NVIDIA to enhance its capabilities in autonomous vehicle technology. This deal, unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show in the year 2025, is being viewed optimistically by analysts who believe it will expedite Uber's journey towards achieving fully driverless rides. Bank of America Securities has maintained a buy rating for Uber, setting a price target of $96, reflecting strong investor confidence in this growth trajectory. Additionally, Uber has secured a multi-year exclusive partnership with Delta Air Lines, allowing Delta SkyMiles members to earn miles on Uber rides and deliveries. This agreement not only strengthens Uber's market presence, but also ends Delta's previous partnership with Lyft, positioning Uber as the preferred choice for millions of frequent travelers, likely leading to increased ridership and revenue growth. In the short term, these developments could stabilize the stock as investors respond positively to strategic moves, moving away from the recent downturn. Long-term, the successful integration of artificial intelligence and autonomous technology could open new revenue streams and solidify Uber's leadership in the mobility sector. This combination of partnerships and technological advancement could make Uber a compelling investment opportunity in the year 2025. Analyst ratings. On the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolf Research assigned Uber an outperform grade with a hold action. On the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Uber a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On the 5th of December, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned Uber a buy grade with a hold action. On the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Uber a buy grade with a hold action. On the 15th of November, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Uber stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Uber. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 13, 2024, and so far, it has risen approximately 8.29%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The Uber stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $65.57. If the stock declines, support can be expected from the short-term average at $63.75. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average provided a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 47 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals, the short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 27 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 29 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $61.42 and $61.19. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Uber finds support just below today's level at $61.42. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $61.19 and $59.94. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.56 between its high and low, or 3.99%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.3%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Uber, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively standard, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 50 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Uber. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Uber is at $65.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Uber faces its first support level at $61.42. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Uber from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Amanda Ginsberg, who bought and sold 1,260 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.101. Overall, insiders purchased 79,485 shares and sold 150,211 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $61.65, reflecting a decrease of 5.02%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, translating to a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? Uber presents several positive signals. However, we still do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on the day of the week that falls on the 10th of January, we expect Uber to open up 327/100ths of a dollar and start trading at $65.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be influenced solely by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.